afternoon. My name is Scott Rutledge, Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是主持人张叔，在纽约向您问好。周三美股收低，我们看到今天道指是下跌了111点，而事实上在前几天交易日当中，在离2万点的大关最近的时候，道指和2万之间的差距其实只有20点左右，而今天一下子就下跌了110点，而这也是让很多的投资人都在担心，是不是说道指在短期的时间内不会再突破2万点的大关了？而就此对这一事件的一个反应呢，华尔街认为这可能是说明着当前投资人需要简单的去减少他们自己的一个风险估值，并且另外一方面也暗示着在今年我们可能不会看到2万点大关一个突破了。而在今天市场交易依然是比较清淡，那在包括像纽交所的一个交易大厅里面也是出现了有趣的一幕啊，就是苹果公司的 CEO Tim Cook 是出现在纽交所的一个交易大厅里面，但是他只是一个私人的访问，并不涉及公司的一个利益。当我看到他的时候，我当时还特别纳闷，说为什么纳斯达克的一个上市公司会出现在纽交所的大厅里面？而很有意思的是，苹果今天最近的一个表现也是非常良好，但是说到这个科技板块，今天整体的势头也是有所受伤啊。包括像金融板块以及科技板块这两只最近表现的不错的板块呢，都没能引领市场的上涨，而这也是为什么今天我们看到市场下跌的幅度会比较大的另外一个原因。在经济数据方面呢，今天发布的有11月份的一个房屋销售数字，比之前的10月份是下跌了2.5个百分点，因此这个数字呢是使得市场有些承压。而一系列的数字，由于最近美国一直都在假期当中，因此是有一些不同的一个日期的调整，比如说像市场所关注的 API 的原油的期货储备的报告，以及包括像EIA 的一个原油储备报告呢，也是会在今天以及明天发布。而包括像市场关注的像贷款率以及房屋的一个数字呢，也会在市场的明天发布。好的，更多的消息让我们来看一下今天的交易员访谈。Hi Scott.U.S. stocks traded lower today as we see that market lost some momentum. So how does that hurt the overtape right now?
Well, I think a lot of us were trading for new highs into year end, but then we started hearing about the rebalance, that people are going to have to sell a lot of stocks and buy bonds because the pension funds had to bring the ratios back to normal. Art Cashman was talking about that yesterday. So today, all of a sudden, the market confirmed that. Let's take a look at the chart of the S&P cash. I've been talking about this upper level, this upper flag, and I was playing for a move to break above the upside. You know what? It didn't happen. We resolved to the downside. We broke the 8-day. So that's your first clue to reduce some risk. Does it mean the market's broken? Does it mean run to the hills? No, it means that if you were trading for a move above this to get to 2,300, for now, you have to be a bit more careful. So I think a day like today that broke below a prior low, broke below this area, you need to reduce risk because we could easily see some kind of move down towards the 21-day, which happens to be, right around 22.42. Maybe tomorrow we'll see how we deal with this pivot. This pivot's 22.49. Here's your 21-day. Best case scenario is we get some kind of move to there. We come off it and build a new upper range. But I would be a little bit more cautious after this wide-ranging engulfing bar.
And Dow is down like more than 100 points today. It seems like the center rally is checking its way home, and also especially the 20,000 mark looks like it's slowly slip away. So how do you think about that?
We've been talking about it for so long. So I think the Dow, almost 20,000 hats, will have to serve its purpose. So we've been talking about the diamonds, and if you look at the diamonds, which is a measure of the Dow, same thing. If you were playing for a quiet market to make a move to highs here, it went the other way. So what happened? We broke below these three different areas, showing some power versus this upper range. So for me, that means take a little caution, or a little cautious, or caution. You could see a move down to the 21-day. I talked about the banks, the FAS, which has been a leading indicator, now broke this to the downside also. So this engulfing day, maybe it leads to a little bit more. The last time it had an engulfing day, gave you a little red dog reversal. We'll see what happens here. I would write down this spot. The spot is a little close to 40.19. We'll talk about it on Twitter tomorrow. 40.82 is the low. So this day says, hey, be cautious. And if you look at something like Goldman Sachs, which tried to hold up all day, finally gave way. And there were some clues here. Goldman Sachs was the only bank up all day while other banks were down, like Bank of America, Citigroup, JP Morgan. So now at this point, I would think, watch here. If this happens to break today's low tomorrow, you could see some more downside. And you know what? It might be healthy getting to the 21-day, but that would mean the 8-day that it's been following trend has weakened. If you were playing for momentum to the upside, today gave a little bit of a brushback pitch.
Okay.
So for me, I reduced the risk so I could wait and see how we're going to finish the rest of the year. Because if we do get a balance reshuffle where they have to sell more stock and buy some bonds because the pensions have to reshuffle, you know, today there's a little less of a vested interest to keep things going higher. So we might as well wait to see what type of pullback we have, because a day to take notice like we had today, you notice the days thereafter. This is a little bit of a reduced risk. Sometimes it leads to nothing, but if it leads to something, you're better off out of the way so you can embrace volatility, and we might have a little bit of it after today.
好的，就像 Scott 刚才所介绍的那样，其实每天股市的一个交易的动力其实都在变化，而这就是为什么您需要继续关注我们节目的原因。好的，我们下期再见。